Hello guys, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is flows. Flows are powerful automation tools used to collect, update, delete or automate complex business processes through a visual interface. It provides a user-friendly interface for building logic, enabling Salesforce admins and consultants to design complex workflows by doing simple clicks. Flows are versatile and can be used for a wide range of scenarios, from simple data entry automation to complex multi-step business processes. It empowers users to design and implement automated workflows without the need of extensive coding knowledge. So here coding knowledge is not required for creating the flows. Flows can be divided into different types based on their use cases. So there are several types of flows to go with different types of automation needs. So here some of them are screen flows. So it is used to create guided step-by-step process that require user input. Record triggered flow runs when a record is created or updated, similar to how a trigger functions in Apex. Ideally for automating process that depend on specific record changes like updating the related records or performing validation, then we are going to use record triggered flow. Schedule triggered flow runs automatically at schedule intervals, perfect for time based actions. Key features of flows. So visual interface. Flows are created using a drag and drop interface in the flow builder. Automation automates repetitive tasks and ensures data consistency. Custom logic. It includes conditional paths, loops and formulas. Integration. It supports integration with external systems and Salesforce objects. User interaction. Screen flows enable interactive forms and guide steps for users. What are the key elements of flows? So interaction. So here we are going to see for different types of flows, some different types of interactions, logic and data. So some of the common interactions are like screens, actions, subflows. For logic implementation, we have to use assignment, decision, loop, transform, collection sort, collection filter. And for data, when we need to perform some automation like creation, updation or get deleted rollback records, then we are going to use data. Components of flows. So elements are basically used for taking the actions within a flow, such as assignment, screens, decision logics or loops. Resources. So resources are used to create variables, formulas, collections or constants used to store and manipulate data. Connectors. It is going to define the path and sequence of actions in the flow. Benefits of flow. So it is like declarative automation. Here no need to code. It can be created by admins or business users as well. User experience. Screen flows improve user interaction with guided processes. Efficiency. It saves times by automating repetitive tasks. Flexibility. Supports a wide range of use cases from simple update to complex integrations. So today's assignment is when an opportunities stage is updated to closed one, then the related accounts active field should be updated to S. So it is going to be done automatically when the opportunity stage is updated to closed one. So opportunity is a standard object in Salesforce. So here with account and opportunity there is a relationship already created by Salesforce. So whenever the opportunities stage is getting updated to closed one, so opportunity stage is a pick list value. It is having different types of values. So in that, whenever the user is going to update the stage as closed one, then the related account. So account is again a standard object and it is having a field like active, and this active field is a picklist type and it is holding yes and no. So whenever the stage is getting updated by closed one, then the related accounts active field should be updated to S. So this is the assignment what we have to do. What are the key consideration we have to go with, like permission? We have to ensure user running the flow have the necessary access to update the account fields. Execution context. So this flow run after the opportunity record is saved, ensuring data integrity. So whenever the opportunity record is getting saved, then we are going to update the account active field to S. Error handling. So we have to implement error message to catch issues like missing account relationship or insufficient permission. We have to take care. So let's do this. So let's log into our Salesforce account by providing the username and password. Hit the login button. So before creating the flow, let's see the opportunity and account object. So from the app launcher, I need to search for sales. So right click, open link in new tab. So here opportunity object is this one. So this is an opportunity object having the fields like opportunity information. So opportunity owner who is going to create the record. So he is called the owner, private, then opportunity name, then account name, to which account name it is related. So here is already there is a relationship between the opportunity and account. So whenever we are creating a particular opportunity, we can simply select the account as well. So next type, it is having some values, lead source, then amount, close date, next step, stage. So here we have to take care with this one only. So whenever opportunity stage is closed one, so whenever this value is getting updated with closed one, in that case this account active field should be updated to S. So these are the values. Whenever our flow will trigger, when the value is getting updated by closed one, then in that case only that account means related account field active field is getting updated by S. So additional information, description information. So there are so many fields here. What the fields are mandatory if I am clicking on save. So to create any opportunity, we have to provide close date, opportunity name and stage. So these are the mandatory fields. Also, let's open the account. So here account. So if I am clicking on new, so here we are able to see like account information, then account name, parent account number, and so many fields are there. So in that we are having a field by active. So whenever a particular opportunity stage is being closed one, then account active field is going to be updated by AS. So this value it should have to be updated. So let's create the flow. So in order to create a flow, we need to click on setup, choose setup. In the quick find box, we need to search flows. Under process automation, we are seeing the flows. Right click, open link in new tab. So here, these new features are available only in Automation Lightning app. So flow definitions, all flows. If I am clicking this drop down, so list view, all flows and triggered flows. So for now it is having all flows. So there are 43 items. Up to now we had not created any flow. So these are all the flows created by Salesforce itself and given to us. By using these flows, we can simply automate the business process, relevant business process. So let's create a new flow as we had seen in our PPT. So in order to create a new flow, we need to click on this new flow button. So click on this. So it is redirecting to flow builder and it is prompting for new flow. Start from scratch or use a template. So we are going with default, start from scratch, click next. So select type. So there are different types of flows: screen flow, record triggered flow, schedule triggered flow, and so many of them. So we are not going to see all the flows. For now, we are going to see record triggered flow. So let's choose this. So it launches when a record is created, updated or deleted. This auto launched flow runs in the background. So let's click on create. So here we are seeing, here we are getting this view. So at the top we are seeing flow builder, there is a back button, then there is a toggle. So it is for creating new resources. So resource type, we can go with variable, constant, formula, text, template or stages. So let's toggle this. Select elements, undo and redo. Then auto layout, two types, auto layout and free from. So in the free from, it is providing the toolbox and here we are seeing the elements. In the elements we are seeing interaction. So by using these elements we can create interactions. For logic we are going to use assignments, decisions, loop, transform, collection sort, collection filter, and for data we are going to use create records, update records, get records and delete records. And here we are seeing the manager. So again manager is for creating the new resource. So for now I am going to use auto layout. At the right hand side we are seeing run, debug, view test, save as new version, save and activate. For now only save is enabled and rest of all is disabled. So when we are creating the flow and going to save this particular flow, then all are being activated and save is going to be disabled. So to do our assignment, first we have to select the object. So select the object whose records trigger the flow when they are created, updated or deleted. So on the opportunity object there is a stage. So whenever the stage is getting updated, we are going to update the related account active field to S. So on which object we are going to perform, so that will be opportunity object. So let's search for opportunity here, select opportunity. Then our assignment says that whenever the record is getting updated, so trigger the flow when the record is updated. So whenever the record is getting created, at that time we don't have to update the related account active field. Whenever the opportunity stage is getting updated, in that situation only we have to update the related account. So next there is a set entry condition. So here I am going with all conditions are met, and so what does it mean? Whenever opportunity stage equals closed one, then we have to update the related account. So when to run the flow for updated records, every time a record is updated and meets the condition requirement. So every time when the record is getting updated, I want to run this flow. So next radio button is saying that only when a record is updated to meet the condition requirement. So it is saying that only when the record is meeting the criteria, then and then only you have to run this flow. So for that I am not going. I am going with every time a record is getting updated. Next we are seeing optimize the flow for fast field updates and action and related records. What does it mean? So fast field updates means when we are going to update on this object only, on opportunity object itself, then we are going to choose fast field updates. So it is before the record is saved to the database. So whenever we have to perform any action with that particular object, then we have to go with fast field updates. And actions and related records, here the flow runs after the record is saved to the database. So after the opportunity stage is getting updated to closed one, then and then only we have to update the related account field update. So as per the assignment we have to go with this one. So let's save this. So here we have to provide the flow label or flow name. So update account field as opportunity closed one. Update account field. So we are updating the account field active to yes as opportunity closed one. So save this. So here we are seeing the warning, you can't activate this flow until you resolve an error. So the start flow can't run because nothing is connected to the start element. So now we have to go and set the start. So here we need to so now we have to add element. So here update related records, update triggering records, send email alert. So what we have to perform, update related records. So click on this, update account field. So here we are seeing update account field, update records, how to find records to update and set their values. So here are so many radio buttons. Use the opportunity record that triggered the flow. Use records related to the opportunity record that triggered the flow. So we have to go with this one only. When the opportunity record is getting updated, then and then only we have to update the related account. So here select related records, records related to opportunity. So records triggering opportunity, record account ID. So we have to relate with this account ID. So set filter condition, set field values for account records. So here account active field must be updated to yes. So whenever opportunity stage is being closed one, in that condition related account active field should be updated to yes. So let's save this. So for now we are not getting any error. So let's debug. So click on debug, select path. So run immediately. For now we are seeing this option only. So here it is prompting us to select an opportunity. So let's create an opportunity to be a better understanding. So again coming back to our opportunity. So here I am going to create a new opportunity. So test record triggered opportunity, and here also I am going to create a new account, record triggered opportunity. Click save. Record triggered opportunity, I had created an account and opportunity name test record triggered opportunity. Close date I am choosing like today. Stage for now I am going with prospecting. So it's done. Let's save. So we had created an opportunity with the name test record triggered opportunity. So let's see the details. Opportunity name, account name, close date and stage. For now it is prospecting. So let's go with this record only. So again coming back to our flow. So let's choose the opportunity what we had created right now. Test a record triggered opportunity. So this one. Click on run. So here we are seeing like debug run update account field as opportunity closed one. This is our flow name, and here date and time not triggered. Why it is not triggered? Actually, we had given the stage name of this particular opportunity to prospecting. So if I am making it closed one, then our record triggered will perform. So let's debug again, and if here I am updating the stage name of this particular opportunity to closed one. So let's choose closed one and hit the run button. Now we are seeing that it's completed. So debug details, how the interview started. If I am expanding this one, this debug run was triggered as if the opportunity record was updated. Whenever the opportunity record is getting updated, then and then only it is going to update the related account. So for record, this one, this is the date and time, start condition requirement, when stage name is closed one, so this one, and all the conditions must be true. Then update record, update account field. So in that condition, account active field must be updated to S, and it is getting rollback because the flow run in rollback mode. Any changes to add, delete or modify records were rolled back. How the interview finished? The flow interview run for 1.10 seconds and finished on this date and time it is providing. So let's activate this flow. So the flow is activated. Again we are coming back to our opportunity. So let's refresh this. So for this opportunity, test record triggered opportunity, this is the opportunity name and there is a related account with record triggered opportunity. So this close date is today's date and stage is prospecting. For now it is prospecting. So also let's open the account as well. So open link in new tab. So let's check the account detail for this related opportunity. So if I am clicking on details for this account record trigger opportunity, so it is created right now, and here we are seeing the active is blank. For now there is no S or no is selected. So if I am coming back to this opportunity and updating the stage as closed one, so let's update the opportunity as closed one and hit the save button. So for now if I am opening the account, related account, this one, and clicking on details, so let's see, active is getting updated by S value. So whenever opportunity stage is being updated to closed one, in that situation only related account active field is going to be updated by yes value. So it's done. Thank you.